What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Now today I'm going to share a recipe for this super quick and easy carrot cake you'll absolutely love. Let's get started. I'm going to start off with the wet ingredients by combining sugar, eggs, melted butter, oil and vanilla. I'm just going to go ahead and give this a good whisk to combine. You want to whisk this well, and I'm also going to go in with a little bit of orange juice. You could use pineapple juice if you have that on hand. Now we're going to combine the dry ingredients. So we add flour, we're going to add some allspice and give it a good mix. And the flour I add here was self-rising flour. Here I added my shredded carrot, some shredded coconut, and of course some raisins. You could leave it out if you don't like raisins, it's totally optional. I'm going to give it a good mix. Now I'm going to go ahead and start to combine my dry ingredients in small amount until everything is fully combined. You don't really want to dump it in all at once. You want to do the cut and fold action until all the flour is mixed in. Now that the batter is nice and come together, I went ahead and greased my bundt tin. Of course, you don't have to use a bundt tin. You could use whatever baking pan you have. So I went ahead and greased generously. Then I'm going to add my batter to the pan, and I'm going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for about 40 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick insert and comes out clean. After 40 minutes, this is what it's looking like. I'm just going to go ahead and remove it from the pan and allow it to cool down. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and create that frosting. So here I had a block of cream cheese and some softened butter, and I'm going to mix well to combine until it's nice and fluffy. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my powdered sugar to this, and then I'm going to mix well to combine, adding a little bit of vanilla as well. And, mix well until we have a nice smooth consistency. I will leave the recipe for this in the description, so you could go ahead and check it out if you want to try this recipe. So you want to mix well until it's fully combined. And this is the texture we're looking for. And I'm just going to go ahead and add this to my cooled cake. You want to make sure that the cake is cooled down completely. Now guys, I'm not no cake decorator, but trust me, you just want to get the frosting on. So I get it on. I do it in parts. I put it in the fridge and then go again, so it kind of set up, because this is a frosting, not an icing, so it's kind of soft. So I do it in parts, and then I tend to just use my offset spatula just to smooth it out a bit and make it look a little bit more presentable. But nonetheless, this was for my kids and they truly enjoyed it. So because it's carrot cake, I decided to color parts of the frosting into some orange and some green, and just add a few little carrot decoration, just so you know it's carrot cake. It's not perfect, but guys, trust me, the cake was amazing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut into it and show you what it's looking like. And let me tell you guys, this one was super delicious. It was soft, moist, tasty, and yeah, all of the above. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, and follow and subscribe if you haven't already do so. That's it, my beautiful people. I thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day and bye-bye.